If you're wondering how to delete on Lucidchart, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to delete a page inside Lucidchart and how to remove an entire document when you no longer need it. This is super useful if you're cleaning up old diagrams, getting rid of test pages, or organizing your workspace so it's easier to manage. And before we jump in, if this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, let's talk about deleting a page in Lucidchart. Once your diagram is open, look at the bottom of the canvas where your page tabs are displayed. These tabs represent the different bodies inside your Lucidchart file. Find the page you want to remove and click on its tab so it becomes active. This step matters because you want to make sure you're deleting the correct page and not something else in your document. Next, once the page is selected, look for the three dots on that page tab. This is the More Options menu for that page. Click the three dots and a small menu will appear with several actions. From that menu, choose Delete. Lucidchart will then remove that page from the document. If you were holding onto a page you no longer need, this is the fastest way to clean it up. Now, if your goal is to delete an entire document, the process is a little different. Start by going back to your main Lucidchart dashboard, where all of your documents are listed. Here you'll see your saved diagrams, folders, and recent files. Find the document you want to remove. When you hover over it, you should see a three dots menu appear, or you can right-click the thumbnail depending on your setup. Click the three dots and choose Move to Trash. This doesn't always mean the file is gone forever right away, but it does remove it from your main document list and sends it to the trash area. This is a great safety feature because it gives you a chance to recover a file if you deleted the wrong one by mistake. If you want to permanently delete the document, go to the Trash folder in the left-hand menu. Inside Trash, find the file you want to completely remove. Click the three dots on that file, then select Delete Forever. Once you do that, the document is permanently removed and can't be restored through normal recovery options. So make sure you're absolutely sure before using that final step. A quick tip here. If you only want to clear space inside a diagram, delete the page. If you want to remove the entire file from your account, move the document to Trash and then delete it forever if needed. That difference is important, especially when you're working on shared team documents or large projects. And that's it. Now you know how to delete on Lucidchart, whether you want to remove a single page or permanently erase an entire document. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful software guides, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.